Hello everyone, welcome to Total DigiCampus brought to you by STL Total. We offer a solution, not a product. We understand your needs and do provide a complete solution to reduce your work pressure and manage everything with ease. We offer online 24 into 7 communication platform with web app and Android app to save your time. Hassle-free online admission and transfer without standing in queue, digitalized student management with accurate reports and online payment facilities. We do offer HRMS, payroll, accounting, library, hostel and transport module in a single window. Analytics and statistics reports for departments and managements to manage everything in a few clicks. Total DigiCampus is categorized as Academics Admin, Operation Admin, and Finance Admin. On Academics Admin, we have Student Profile, Academic Planning and Tracking, Evaluation of Report Card, Teacher Development, Library Management, and Teacher Parent Communication. In Academics Admin, you will get a handful of features like Academics Planning and Tracking, where you can customize your academic session, course, class, section, subject with teacher assigned, document setup for student, teacher and school, academics holidays list update, manage users, reset password, manage and define user role. In student profile, access to student information with overall view, payment details, overview of students, academic reports and attendance, certificates also available for students. In student attendance, you will have daily attendance class wise or bulk at once with Excel upload, late attendance and leave details. Likewise, in exam and report card, you can define exam types, exam subjects with maximum and pass marks, mark and grade entry, report card for the conducted exams, report card freeze and publish, consolidated and group term report for better analysis and promotions, class-wise topper list, and plan for parent-teacher meeting. In library module, you can customize master setups, upload library books in bulk, define number of books, number of days, and fine for students and teachers, book details with proper allocation, track available stocks, and find obsolete, missing, or lost book details. Issue or return books, generate barcode for books, library cards for student and teachers, various report to manage library department. Likewise, in teacher development and teacher parent communication, you can plan for teacher training with trainer details, teachers achievement and awards, teacher training report and participation report, teacher parent communication through SMS, notice board and DMS. Then let's have a look on our operation admin. Here you will get school profile management, student management, employee management, admission and transfer, transport and hostel. In operation admin also, you will have a handful of features like school profile, where you can update school details like accommodation, awards and recognition, facilities and infrastructures, documents and miscellaneous, basic details like affiliation number, contact number and location. In student management, you will have manage student life cycle, student wise manage category, generate various reports, generate all types of certificates like admit card, challan, TC and bona fide certificates, approve certificate request, TC request, and also you can change student info as per the student's request. In transport module, you can have the route planning, vehicle and driver information capturing, running, fuel and maintenance log. Also you can get vehicle report with vehicle and driver load. Likewise, in employee management, you can customize profile, attendance and leave setups as per your requirements, joining new employee and integrating biometric device for attendance, leave details with proxy leave for non-teaching staffs, action on probation employee and exited employees lists, Generate employee ID card with various reports like leave details, attendance details, login slip logs and joining reports. In hostel module, you can manage hostel with bed and room allocation and daily attendance, swap, transfer or exit students, dhobi register and head bath haircut attendance, hostel student attendance report and leave reports with bed and room allocation reports. Likewise, in admission and transfer, you can approve or reject online admission request for the applied students by looking into the details supplied by the student. In finance admin, you are having payroll, fee and collections, accounting and asset management, and insurance. In finance admin, you will have all these features like fee collections. In fee and collections, you will have customizable account and fee setups by generating one-time recurring and late fees with waiver facilities for staff students, due creation with easy Excel upload and collection through online and manually in a click, due or collection cancellation, excess fee adjustments and refund of security amount is also available. Online transaction verification and online payment schedule is also available. In insurance model, you will have all the insurance details for your students and teachers. In asset management, you can customize item and vendor setup as per your requirements, issue or receive assets or update available asset status, reports for asset received, issued or stocks. Annual stock taking board is also available for better clarity on report. In payroll module, you will have customizable setups as per institution's components criteria, pay band, bank details and TDS schedule. Statutory setups like professional tax, EPFO, ESIC, IT section and IT rebate with income tax slabs. Customizable salary slip and signature setups, employee salary setups and daily wages, setup for reports from predefined templates as per your requirements. In payroll module, you will also have salary calculation in few clicks, IT declaration and TDS calculations. Also, you will have various reports like salary slips, salary sheets with payment advice, EPFO and ESIC reports, advance loan and security reports, Form 16B and annual report for salary. Finally, in accounting module, you will have customizable account, ledger and entity as per your requirements. Calculate closing balance by entering opening balance and transactions done like receipt, payments, journal and depreciation. Fixed deposit and transaction deletion upon wrong entry is also available. Entity, ledger, account, receipt and payment reports available with balance sheet. Budget versus actual balance sheet is also available. This was just a small briefing about Total DigiCampus. For more info, visit us at www.silicontechlab.com.